Not that these are an official collaboration with Atmos by any means, but these are being called the Animal Pack 3s. Let's take a closer look at the Air Jordan 3 Retro SE. What's going on, guys? You're watching Sneaker News on YouTube, and today we're taking a closer look at the Air Jordan 3 Retro Animal Pack. Before we do that, just do us a quick favor, please hit that subscribe button, and we'll get right to it. So we have in hand a pair of the Air Jordan 3 Animal Pack. Big thanks to Stadium Goods for lending us this pair for a review. There's some details that we want to uncover, just go over all the animal prints, the actual materials, and basically anything else that you need to know. But first, let's go over the basics. The official release date is December 19th, 2019, and the retail price is $225. Again, this is a premium release, thus the elevated retail price of $225 opposed to the typical $190 or $200 for the Tinker pairs. Really nice in hand. There's definitely a premium luxury aspect to it, mostly due to the exotic prints that we see on the upper. So just to start things off, we want to focus on the most signature detail about the Air Jordan 3 itself, and that's the elephant print mudguard. Of course, there is no elephant print on here. Instead, they go with a spotted print, whether it's leopard, cheetah, jaguar, what have you, at the toe box. And on the heel, they go with a zebra pattern. It's funny that these are an Animal Pack 3 or animal themed, obviously, and they didn't use elephant print. It's the one shoe that probably requires elephant print in some sort of way, but we understand why they didn't do that. Moving on, we have on the ankle collar another spotted cat pattern, whether it's, again, jaguar or leopard or whatever, but it is different from the toe box. So again, if we show you a closer look, the pattern that's on the ankle and on the toe are very different, but very similar in the same way because it's all in that big cat family. Definitely not cheetah. Cheetah is just more spots, but these have that two-tone sort of pattern to it. Here at the lace collar, right where the eyelets are, you can see the tan brown and a black stripe, obviously a tiger. If you look on the other side, you can see that on the medial as well. The majority of the shoe is this black cow fur, which is most likely a nod to the Black Panther. That's something very canon to the Michael Jordan, folklore. So in terms of the upper, that's pretty much it. It's a mix of 5 different animal patterns, whether you count the ankle and the toe box as 2 different animals. Again, black cow fur on the upper, zebra pattern on the heel, and the tiger. Now there's other details that make these unique. First and foremost is the heel. We have no Nike Air. We have the retro Jumpman Air, which is pretty fitting. Nike Air is typically reserved for like OGs. It does have that safari kind of look to it. So in addition to the heel tab, we have a special label on the inside of the tongue that says Instinct. It probably alludes to the killer instinct that NBA analysts talk about. It's that quality that guys like Michael Jordan and Kobe Bryant and even LeBron James have displayed throughout their careers, coming up clutch and just finishing out games and demanding the basketball. It's that intangible factor that made MJ who he is. On the insole, you just see a classic red with the white Jumpman. Would have been interesting for them to kind of use some sort of additional animal, opportunity there maybe, but we digress. And on the outsole, solid gum outsole, perfect blend for this wild theme. And you have the black forefoot with the Jordan. And one thing that we might have to criticize about this Jordan 3 Animal Pack is the tongue, and that's not really unique to this shoe. The OG Jordan 3s had a hider tongue, and the tongue really stood out. If anything, the tongue was one of the key details that doesn't really get talked about much with Air Jordans, but the tongue on these are really short, and if you look at them just on the side, it barely pops out above, the uppermost lace eyelet. Usually it should be much higher like there, but the quality of the shoe is really great. The mix of animal prints is very in line with the luxury movement going on in sneakers. For $225, this is definitely up there. It kind of looks like a collaboration when it's not. If this was an Atmos collaboration, we wouldn't be surprised. But again, this is not a collaboration by any means. Just a high-end offering from the Retro SE. SE typically stands for Special Edition. So that's pretty much it. This is a $225 Air Jordan 3 Animal Pack. As you can see, it comes with a special shoebox with all the retro cards and old sketches and whatnot. But yeah, December 19th, $225. Let us know in the comments if you're thinking about copying these, and we'll catch you in the next video.